In this video, I'm going to show you how to gain followers on Snapchat. I'm going to show you the best methods to do it, how I grew my Snapchat to 350,000 followers, and a secret method that I haven't seen anyone using that anyone can literally use to grow their Snapchat fast and pretty much without any work. So first of all, my Snapchat is called Fly Juggler. You're welcome to look it up, and I'll also leave it in the description if you don't believe me, but I have 350,000 followers. And you can see here that I don't really have any stories. So how did I gain these followers? Well, it's through something called Snapchat Spotlights. I simply posted videos to Snapchat Spotlights and over time got views on them and eventually made money with it. But what even is Snapchat Spotlights? Well, if you scroll all the way to the right past this tab, you'll actually get a tab that's very similar to Instagram Reels or TikTok. It's kind of Snapchat's own version of TikTok or Instagram Reels, and this is where you can post videos to and actually gain a lot of followers very quickly. So here are the steps in doing so. First things first, you need to have a public profile. If you don't have a public profile yet, you can click on your little Bitmoji on the top here and scroll down, and somewhere down here there should be something that says create public profile, and then you just need to click create. Once you click create, you should have a public profile, and now you'll be able to actually make spotlights. So to make a spotlight, you can actually just record a video of yourself literally doing anything. I'm pretty sure the video has to be at least 6 seconds long, so I'm just going to hold it down for a second. And then once you record it, you can click send to on the bottom right, and then on the top you'll see something that says spotlight. Here you can type in whatever caption you want, and then when you click this blue button on the bottom right to upload, it'll upload to Spotlights. Now, every time you upload to Spotlights, this is not going to be directly shown to your followers. This is just going to be on a page, again, pretty similar to TikTok's, that's just going to be shown to like random people. So if you're worried to post an embarrassing video that you don't want your friends to see, don't worry, because it'll just show up on the right over here, and pretty much no one else will see it except for you and whoever randomly views this, which is a low likelihood that your friend would actually be one of them. Okay, so now you know how to create a public profile and what to actually do to gain followers on Snapchat. Now we're going to go through some different methods on how you can actually gain followers. So first, I'll talk from personal experience and explain how I gained followers. So the truth is, I've been posting videos on TikTok and Instagram for a long time. I just post these fun like juggling videos, and I realized all I had to do to grow my Snapchat was post these videos on Snapchat. But I didn't want to literally go and manually download every single one of these videos and post them to Snapchat. So for that, I used repurpose.io to automatically schedule everything. What I'm about to tell you is going to save you so much time. So the way that repurpose.io works is you can make a bunch of connections between all the different social media accounts you have. So for example, I have my Fly Juggler TikTok connected to repurpose.io, and then I also have my Fly Juggler Snapchat connected to repurpose.io. From there, what you can do is create a workflow that connects all the posts from one account and then automatically repost them to the other social media platform. So for example, I might name one Fly Juggler TikTok to Snapchat. Okay, and then I would select the source as my TikTok channel, my Fly Juggler TikTok. Next, I'd have it do the action, upload a video, and I'd make the destination Fly Juggler Snapchat. And I'd have it choose to upload to my public profile as a spotlight. Once I set up this connection, not only can I set it to automatically repost all the new TikTok videos that I post to Snapchat, but I can also have it set to automatically repost all of my old videos on TikTok to Snapchat as well. So if I click set publishing schedule, I can literally set a schedule of when I want my old content to start reposting to Snapchat. So I might do Monday at 9 a.m., Tuesday at 9 a.m., Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and enable auto publish. And then on all these days during all these time slots, it will automatically choose the most recent past video that I had uploaded to TikTok and automatically, without me touching it, re-upload that video to Snapchat. That's how I grew my Snapchat, and I literally did it with the software, which meant that it didn't actually take any work on my end. I just continued posting to TikTok as normally, and my Snapchat automatically grew. So if you have videos already posted on Instagram, or if you're continuously posting to Instagram, either way, I highly recommend using repurpose.io and auto scheduling everything to Snapchat so you can gain followers on Snapchat without even looking at it or thinking about it. If you want to just try it, they offer a completely free trial. So you can go to the first link in the description and just create an account and try it completely for free. Make sure that everything works the way you want it to. And once you see that it works, it's not like $10,000 a month to use this software or something. I think it's only like $25 a month, and you get to do infinite amount of posts per month. So this is definitely a really good way to grow your Snapchat account. As I said, this is just the strategy that I use, but there's a secret method that I think could actually be way better at growing Snapchat accounts, and somehow no one else is talking about it, so I'm about to reveal it. So if we go to Snapchat Spotlights, we can see that a lot of people are just kind of reposting memes and actually getting a lot of views on it. So for example, this video, Extreme Science, they might have gotten this video from literally anywhere on this internet, but reposted it on Snapchat Spotlights, and it's gotten 80 million views. Same with this video right here. We kind of just have a car crash gosh, that is crazy. But this video was probably just snagged from the internet and someone just reposted it without even caring where it's from. And they're able to do this, get away with it, and actually grow their followers just from videos like this. So that's the method. Find an Instagram meme account, download all their videos, and then just start posting them to Snapchat Spotlights. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So what I would do is I would go to Instagram.com and I would find some sort of meme account that is somewhat popular, but not that popular. That way they're probably not going to realize if you steal their content because they're not that big, but it's also big enough so that it's viral enough that people will actually watch it. So I'm just going to type in funny memes into Instagram, and from here we're going to try to find an account. True Living, how about this one? 6,000 followers. They post a bunch of reels. So this definitely looks like an account that we could find some funny memes on and just take and then post to Spotlights and get a lot of views with it. But here's part of the secret sauce. Instead of trying to download all of these videos one by one manually, I actually use a Chrome extension that lets you automatically download these. So I'll leave this in the description. It's called Turbo Downloader for Instagram. But basically what this does is when you hover over a reel, the download button will show up automatically right here like that. So all I have to do is click it and then it just automatically downloads. So what I would do is just go through and literally just click download on all these videos. It'll be really fast with this extension. And then from there, I would put all of these videos onto my phone and upload them. But once again, that does take a lot of manual time and it's hard to stick to. So really what I would do is I would set up another flow on Repurpose, but I would actually set up the flow from a Google Drive account to my Snapchat. So with Repurpose.io, you can actually use Google Drive as one of your sources. So all I would do is I would connect my Google Drive and I would go to workflows and I would upload all the Instagram videos that I downloaded to a single folder, and then I'd create a new workflow. So I would set up a workflow that looks like this. From Google Drive to Snapchat, I would use Google Drive as my source. I choose literally the exact folder that I saved all these memes in. So it would be something like this, and click next, then upload the video and then use my destination as whatever Snapchat I picked. Click done. And once that was ready, I would just set a publishing schedule for it to post like 2 or 3 times a day, every single day of the week. So here, and I would just add some time slots on each of these days. So it's posting pretty much 3 times a day and I don't even have to think about it. And once again, this is using Repurpose.io, which is an extremely powerful tool, which I will leave the first link to in the description. And once you see that it works and you see the value of it, only then would you have to pay for it. To be honest, I think this tool is worth way more than they charge. So yeah. Anyways, that is the method that I would use to grow my Snapchat account in 2025. If you don't care about building a personal brand, just use this meme strategy and use something like Repurpose.io to automatically schedule all these videos, and you never have to think about it. Your Snapchat account can just grow on auto. If you want to grow your personal brand, you should actually make videos. But again, I really recommend using Instagram or TikTok as your main platform that you upload videos to. But if you want to repurpose anything to Snapchat, I highly recommend just using Repurpose.io and automatically scheduling it. Again, that'll be the first link in the description and it's completely free to start. So yeah, that's how I grew my Snapchat account to 350,000 followers. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions on how you are going to grow your Snapchat account, or if anything in this video didn't make sense to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.